Hello guys, Sorin here. Just wanted to show you another very cool online app that you can use for free to create viral images out of quotes. It's a very simple app, but it has some very powerful templates. The app is called Recite.this.com. You can see it here in my browser if you have a look. Okay, so Recite.this.com. It's actually very simple. This is the only page and the main page that you will see for this app. You just enter here on this website and you will see here in the lower part of your page, okay, you have some templates, okay, some pages that you can select from. For example, this dashboard here, okay, you can just scroll through all the templates, see whichever you like the most, select one. Okay, for example, you can have this cartoon board, okay, and you can type in very simple I don't know, like a quote here, for example, Monday is beautiful. I know that a lot of people hate Mondays, so I thought that this would be a very good joke. So Monday is beautiful, okay, and then you just click the button create, okay, and you are actually done. Okay, you can, your photo is now done. Okay, you will just have the logo here, so that's not very nice, but okay, for for some posts you can use this because you can create some very cool stuff. Then you can post it directly to Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr. Okay, you can download your image, for example, directly like this. Okay, this will be your image, so it's actually very nice. You can send it to a friend. You have a permanent link, for example, if you just want to use the link, okay, to upload the photo and so on. So it's actually a very simple to use app. Then if you go to find a quote, for example, you can find quotes that you can use for different domains, for different niches. For example, for beauty, okay, a beauty is a woman you notice, so it will upload directly your quotes. So you can also have direct quotes that you can already use that are integrated in the app. So that's actually very cool also, because you don't have to find a quote on your own. So this is a very cool app. You can use it like Pablo from Buffer. Okay, it's actually very simple. You have seen that. So I hope you will enjoy it. Thank you guys for your attention. Bye bye for now. Sorin here.